Hey guys, in today's video I will tell you how much does Hana's happy home makes on YouTube. So Nano, then watch the video till end and subscribe channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. First of all guys, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they make more money. Secondly, CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Average CPM is $4 and the earning depends on many factors, from where the video is watched, how long the video is watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% of creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. Now let's take a look at the channel analytics. It has total of 182,000 subscribers and total 427 videos and 27 million total views lifetime on their channel today while filming the video. Now let's take a look at their estimated revenue. How much does it makes monthly, annually, daily and per hour from YouTube. This channel gets 3,000 subscriber monthly and over 730,000 views per month. So according to that, if we multiply views with average $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $2,900, and multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they make $35,000 annually. So after dividing daily earning with 30 shows that they makes $96 daily, and dividing daily earning with 24 shows that they makes $4 per hour. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to know earning of other YouTuber, then comment down their channel name. Thank you for watching the video.